Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, just open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display and Brightness. After that, click on Text Size and Weight, and swipe left or right on Text Size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!